This entire film started with a thought. No camera, no crew, no budget, nothing, no plan, just a wild idea that, oh, I want to do something, I want to, like, the thought is not even leaving my head. How can you make a film with just nothing? And you know one thing, I am turning that idea into a film. It is something big, something that does not even feel like a typical Nigerian film.
Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you.
Hi, my name is Barakat Amzat, a filmmaker, a content creator, and also a video editor. And in this series, I said I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I am trying to make a Nigerian film that feels like Hollywood. Yes, a short film basically. And I want you guys to come along with me. I have always wanted to tell story, something that feels like Hollywood, something that feels cinematic, something that feels like something anyone has not seen before, which is not possible. But it is also possible. You know, when you're thinking about something bold, something gripping, attention grabbing, something that, no, if you watch it, you feel like, oh, who made this? Something like that. I've always been that kind of person. I know one thing, I do not want it to feel usual, something everybody is used to. I love Nigerian. I love Nigeria. Nigeria is my country. Nigeria is everything. But I actually want to be different. I want to make something different entirely. I don't know how. I don't know what I am thinking. I don't know how this is going to come up. Since I said this is going to be a documentation process, I'm just telling you guys what I am thinking in my head. Like, basically everything in my head is what I am putting out right now. I want to make something different, something that feels weird, something that when you watch it, you don't even know that this is a Nigerian film, but it is made by a Nigerian director. Me, I am the Nigerian director. What do you guys think? I want to do something that feels universal, something that you cannot box into one place. Do you know when they would just say, oh, this is a Nigerian film, this is Hollywood, this is Bollywood? No, I want to make something universal that anybody can watch. So, backstory. I was watching a movie one night. I won't say the story actually, I won't say the film because I don't want to spoil the movie and anything. And watching the film, I felt like, oh, what if, I don't want to spoil the film again, what if, and that was how the idea started. I've been thinking, doing a lot, but still this thing will not leave my mind. And I started refining everything I want to do. I started thinking about it. Oh, this, no, if I change it like this, what if I made it like this? I think this is going to be perfect. I've changed the name of the film 2 times, 3 times, just because it is not perfect in my eyes until I got the perfect one. Like, a lot of thoughts came into my mind that we do a lot of things in real life, like our reality, we do a lot of things. But what if those things we do actually happen in another layer of reality? What if? What if what we think is actually normal is not? And the idea struck me. This is going to be my film. This is something I want to do. This is something relating to what I want to do. This is something relating to what I want to put out. I know some of my ideas are wide, but I think this is going to be perfect for what I want to do. And you know the funniest thing, even this idea, it was not supposed to be a film. It was just a passing thought because I already have a film I wanted to do this year. Well, this thing will not leave my mind. I've been trying, I've been learning, I've been doing a lot of things. This particular thing will not leave my mind. I just said, no, this is the way. This is the way. What do you guys think? This is the way. And you know one thing, I started doing research. I started learning. I started watching different films. I started watching different things. YouTube, my school. Netflix, my school. This. Like, I started watching a bunch of things. Like, bunch of things. Like, even to documentaries, I started watching because I started asking myself, what makes a good story? What actually makes the best film? Why do Hollywood, Bollywood, all those things make the biggest film in, like, let me say, in the world? Why are they making it differently? Why is it different from what I want to do? What should I do? I started learning. Oh god, I started learning a lot. And you know one thing, I don't have the full plot yet, but from the progress, I'm almost done, and I think this is the best decision I've made this year. And I hope to show you guys in the next thing where we are, what we are doing, and how it is going to. But in the midst of doing all this thing, I learned one thing. That's how it works. That's how it becomes real. That's how it's just a dream. I love to dream a lot. I love dreaming a lot. I love thinking about myself. Oh, this is where I want to be. This is what I want to do. This is how I want people to perceive me. This is how I want people to see me. I love to write things down. I love documenting things. I love dreaming about the big things. And one thing I've learned is, right now I have the pictures in my head, how I want it to be, and also what I want to do in the film. And even if we don't have the physical film yet, I know I already made a progress, which I'm going to be showing you guys in other series. Like my dream is to be one of the biggest director, not just famous, but respected. You know the feeling that, oh, this is what I want to do. I want people to, like, you know the situation where they'll just say this person wants to make a film and everybody is actually rushing, no matter how big you are, you want to be part of that film. That is what I want to be. That is the kind of person I want to be. Like a filmmaker that can actually create a film that will move the world. I know that is a big dream. I know that is very wide. I know, but that is what I want to be. I know that is wild, but this film is actually the first step to it. Yes. And you know one thing I told myself, if this film is going to be the first film that people are going to see me from or perceive the kind of person I want to be from, I wanted to show the kind of director I want to be. I wanted to show the kind of director I want to be. Do you guys understand? Right now, we haven't started filming. We planned the shoot for September. Yes, September. But this single decision, this single film, start changing a lot. I start learning a lot. I start writing a lot. I start watching a movie a lot. I start doing things differently. It's making me see world differently. It's making me learn a lot. It's making me push my boundaries behind what I can see. And you know the best thing? I am dreaming hard. Like, I am dreaming harder. And I want to take you on this journey. You that are watching this video, yes, I want to take you on this journey. So yes, the film started with just a thought, but basically that's what we all need, a thought. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about the script, how I started writing the script, what is happening, what I changed, and basically everything. I'm going to be telling you the things that made me almost give up. I'm going to be telling you the challenges. I'm going to be telling you what I've seen, how everything is going, and how one single paper is actually bringing a vision to life. Thank you so much for watching. If you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe, like the video, share, comment, ask me questions, and I'm going to be glad to reply to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe.